Here we are, Manoa Falls. Not crazy flow. I have no idea why we're walking through a shipping container, but sure. There's a lot of families doing this hike, it's crazy. Look at this van, eh? That is wild. The van could tell stories. I wonder what it would be. Look at this sign. So for breakfast, the best I can get for iced coffee is a Starbucks Frappuccino, caramel. That's alright actually. And I wanted some sort of, I don't know, egg and bacon wrap, and the best I got was a Portuguese sausage and egg wrap. So I was like, alright, that'll do. A bit small, but we'll make it work. Let's go on a hike, people. So we're heading, people, into these lovely volcanic mountains in front of us. So we're going to do like 3 waterfalls. Actually might be 4, but they're all separate little tracks, but they're all different valleys, but they all start from pretty much the same point. And it's about 10 k's to do all of them, so let's get at it. Alright, to save yourself $7 US you can park apparently in the neighbourhood just there. No parking here to corner. I don't know, hopefully we're right. I'll park behind someone else, and yeah, off we go. So we're going to be doing the most popular, one of the 2 popular most hikes in Oahu this morning. So it's probably going to be busy, and it's already a little bit, well, it's not late, but it's not early. So hopefully not too packed. The second one that's most popular is on the northwestern end of the island, and I heard that was dry at the moment. So yeah, this one is going to be, I reckon it's going to flow. Look at this sign. Common sense, eh? Who is a van, eh? That is wild. The van could tell stories. I wonder what it would be. Alright, Manoa Falls. Receipt for parking fee. Okay, so where are we going? We're going somewhere in over here, it looks like. There's definitely a few cars here. Sure, for walking, I think we're going up and down there. Make more sense. I was walking through another gate. There's like 2. It's got all park workers, but they're not parked because it's not national park. And they're not charging, but it's not. And they're not, I don't know why they're guarding the gate, but anyway, we're in. Start the hike. I have no idea why we're walking through a shipping container, but sure. There's a lot of families doing this hike, it's crazy. They got little cutouts here. And there's the creek, and there's like nothing to look at. And that's by my standard, where I want to see every little cascade, but it's just because, okay, the creek's pretty, but there wasn't even a little drop there or nothing. Strange. Anyway, muddy but flat. There we are, Manoa Falls. Not crazy flow. What I saw yesterday was better, but still good size. Obviously after heavy rain it'll probably get better, but is what it is. Ew. Alright, let's go back and try and find the track for the other one. I'll climb down the revegetation area, which I've been to, but